Let us start the session. Today we are going to start session number 4 of chapter number 8, quadrilaterals, and we are going to start the remaining questions. So let us start with question number 3. The question number 3, show that if the diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other at right angles, then it is a rhombus. So diagonal में quadrilateral में क्या दिया हुआ है? Diagonal bisect each other at right angles. So let us draw a quadrilateral ABCD. इसमें AC और BD जो है वो bisect हो रहा है, bisect at O and at right angles also. So what is given that a quadrilateral ABCD whose diagonal AC and BD intersect at O, such that OA is equals to OC and OB is equals to OD and AC is perpendicular to BD. What is given? That is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
हम लोग को प्रूफ करना है रोम्बस. सो रोम्बस के लिए क्या शो करना पड़ेगा कि ये पैरेललोग्राम है सबसे फर्स्ट. What we have to show that this is a parallelogram and second we have to show that all sides are equal. So क्या प्रूफ करना है, समझ में आ गया?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So again in the question it is given diagonals bisect each other. Now since the diagonals of quadrilateral ABCD bisect each other, therefore ABCD is a parallelogram. हम लोग के पास एक थ्योरम था, in a quadrilateral if the diagonals bisect each other then that quadrilateral is a parallelogram. So first part हम लोग का हो गया. Now we are going to show that all sides are equal. तो उसके लिए हम लोग क्या करेंगे? What we will do, we will take any two triangles. So मैं जो दो triangles लेने जा रहा हूँ, एक ये वाला और एक ये वाला. ध्यान से देखो, उसको मैं कलर कर दे रहा हूँ. These two triangles we are going to take. Now what about OA and OC?
Sir,
They are equal.
sir.
Why?
And
Why
both.
they are equal? It is given.
Sir, because diagonals bisect.
Yes, diagonals bisect each other. Now OD is common to both the triangles. And one more pair of angle is equal. Identify.
Angle TOA and angle TOC.
Yes, this angle and this angle. Okay. So first we'll start with OA is equals to OC, that is given. And second, these two angles is equals to 90 degree. Why these two angles is equals to 90 degree? Because AC is perpendicular to BD and OD is common. So these two triangles are congruent. By which criteria?
Sir, SAS criteria.
Yes, these two triangles are congruent by SAS congruence rule. Now if these two triangles are congruent, AD is equals to DC. Why?
Sir, CPC.
Right, by CPCT. So AD is equals to DC proof हो गया है. Now AB is equals to DC है और AD is equals to BC है. Why? Why AB is equals to DC and AD is equals to BC?
So in a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal.
Already we have shown that ABCD is a parallelogram and these are the opposite sides. So now AB is equals to CD and AD is equals to BC. The reason is opposite sides of parallelogram. Now see, ध्यान से देखो इसमें. अभी इसमें हम लोग ये दोनों प्रूफ कर चुके हैं, दोनों इक्वल है. These two are equal. और ये दोनों आपस में भी इक्वल है. So that means what we conclude, all sides are equal to each other. Is that clear? AD is equals to CD हम लोग already proof किए हैं यहाँ पर. And these two pairs are also equal. So we conclude that all four sides are equal. So hence ABCD is a rhombus. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Now we'll move towards question
No,
number
sir.
4. Question number 4, show that the diagonals of a square are equal and bisect each other at right angle. So इसमें दो पार्ट है, 3 पार्ट्स हैं. एक तो diagonals को equal proof करना है. Second part, diagonals bisect each other. Third part, the diagonals are perpendicular to each other. ये 3 parts clear है?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
What is given that ABCD is a square whose diagonals AC and BD intersect at O. So we have to show that three parts. First, diagonals are equal, diagonals bisect each other, and they are perpendicular. This three parts is clear to all of you?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now
Sir.
we'll start with the first part. AC is equals to BD. So उसके लिए हम लोग दो triangles लेंगे, एक ये वाला, and we'll take this triangle. We will show these two triangles congruent. देखो ABC और BAD, इसमें AD is equals to BC होगा. Why? Why AD
Sir,
is
in
equals to
all
BC?
sides are equal, sir.
Huh?
Opposite sides of square.
Opposite sides, सिर्फ sides of square बोलो ना, all sides are equal है ना square में. Okay, fine. And AB is equals to AB, BA.
Sir, common, sir.
Common side. And what about this angle?
90 degrees.
90 degree. Because each angle of a square is 90 degree. So we'll start with AB is equals to BA, common. Second, BC is equals to AD, sides of square. And angle ABC is equals to angle BAD, each equals to 90 degree. So therefore these two triangles are congruent. By which criteria?
Sir, SS criteria.
SAS criteria.
SAS. Right, SAS criteria. This is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, अब
Yes,
इसको
sir.
निकाल देते हैं. Right. Now, if these two triangles are congruent, then see carefully. AC, मैं फिर से वो diagram दिखला रहा हूँ. AC is equals to BD. Why?
Sir, CPCT, sir.
Right. So हम लोग का first part पूरा हो जाएगा. So first part is over. Now first part में किसी को कोई doubt है?
No, sir.
अब हम लोग को proof करना है OA is equals to OC and OB is equals to OD. Now you tell me what is a square?
Sir, it is a parallelogram in which all sides are equal and measure of one
एक मिनट
angle is equal.
अर्पिता you tell me. बार-बार साई सुहासी आंसर दे रहा है.
Sir, a square is a parallelogram in which all the sides are equal and one angle measures 90 degrees.
Very good. So that means square is a parallelogram. Okay? And we know that in parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other. So now ABCD is a square and therefore a parallelogram. So OA is equals to OC and OB is equals to OD. What is the reason? Diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. So second part is also over. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. अभी हम लोग के पास main है the third part. So let us move towards the third part. Third part के लिए हम लोग दो triangles लेंगे, AOB और AOD. AOB और AOD. चलो इसको दूसरा कलर कर देते हैं. These two triangles we have to show congruent. So कैसे करेंगे देखो. What about AB and AD?
Sir, both are equal, sir.
Why these two are equal?
Sir, sides of a square.
Right. Now what about OB and OD?
Sir, both are equal, sir.
Why?
Sir,
Proved above.
proved above.
Proved above.
Proved
Very
above.
good. And OA is common to both the triangle. So that means these two triangles are congruent by which criteria?
SSS.
SS. चलो एक एक स्टेप आप लोग देखते हैं. First OB is equals to OD, proved above. And second one AB is equals to AD, sides of square. And third one common. So these two triangles are congruent by which criteria?
Sir, S.
Right,
Criteria.
SSS criteria. Now if these two triangles are congruent, what about these two angles? They are equal?
Sir, they both are also equal, sir.
They are equal. Why?
Sir, CPCT.
Right, CPCT. But what is the sum of these two angles?
180 degree.
Why 180 degree?
Linear.
Right, very good. So the sum of these two angles is 180 degree because of linear pair. Now the sum is 180. The sum of these two angles is 180 and both are equal to also. So each angle will become
90
90
degree.
degree.
90 degree, right? So that means AD is perpendicular to AO is perpendicular to BD, or AC is perpendicular to BD. So this is the third part. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, so we'll move towards the next question, fifth question. Show that if the diagonals of a quadrilateral are equal, bisect each other at right angles, then it is a square. So this is the converse of the previous question. पिछले क्वेश्चन में हम लोग स्क्वायर था तो डायगोनल्स इक्वल प्रूफ किए थे, बाइसेक्ट हो रहा प्रूफ किए थे, और परपेंडिकुलर प्रूफ किए थे. तो यहाँ पे सब चीज दिया हुआ है, एंड व्हाट वी हैव टू शो स्क्वायर. तो स्क्वायर के लिए क्या क्या शो करना पड़ेगा बताओ.
Sir, all four sides are equal.
All sides are
and
equal.
it is 90 degrees.
देखो, स्क्वायर के लिए सबसे पहले प्रूफ करना है कि पैरेललोग्राम है. सेकंड प्रूफ करना है कि ऑल साइड्स आर इक्वल. और एक प्रूफ करना है क्या?
Yes, sir.
Sir, one angle is 90 degrees.
Right. So we'll start with the figure. So in this figure, the diagonals bisect each other and diagonals are equal also. So a quadrilateral ABCD in which the diagonals AC and BD intersect at O. AC is equals to BD, diagonals are equal, diagonals bisect each other and diagonals are perpendicular. यही तीनों पार्ट हम लोग प्रूफ किए थे पिछले क्वेश्चन में. नाउ दिस इज गिवन. सो यहाँ तक सबको क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we'll start with the first. Since the diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other, therefore ABCD is a parallelogram. So this is the first part. हम लोग का पहला स्टेप कंप्लीट हो गया. स्क्वायर से पहले हम लोग को शो करना था वो पैरेललोग्राम है. सो पैरेललोग्राम हो गया. क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now we have to show that all sides are equal and one of its angle is 90 degree. So we'll start with these two triangles, ABO और ADO और AOB और AOD. ये दोनों ट्राइंगल्स को हम लोग कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूफ करेंगे. देखो कैसे प्रूफ करेंगे. OB is equals to OD. Why?
Sir, OC is the
Given.
particular bisect.
Given.
Sir,
Given.
AC is the particular.
We'll write given only. And OA is common.
Yes, sir.
And these two angles are equal. Why?
90 degrees.
90 degree.
Okay. So we'll start with OB is equals to OD given. OA is common. And these two angles is equals to 90 degree. Why? Because AC perpendicular to BD it is given. So now these two triangles are congruent by which criteria?
Sir,
Yes.
Yes.
Right, very good. SAS criteria. Now if these two triangles are congruent, so AB is equals to AD. Why?
CPCT.
Right, AB is equals to AD by CPCT. यहाँ तक क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
So AB, now again AB is also equals to DC and AD is also equals to BC. Why?
sir, opposite sides of the parallel.
Right. Now AB is equals to CD and AD is equals to BC because opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. Already we have shown that it is a parallelogram. So अभी फिर से ध्यान से देखो, AB और AD हम लोग प्रूफ कर चुके हैं इक्वल, and these two are equal. That means all four sides will be equal to each other. Clear?
Yes, sir.
ये समझ में आ
Yes, sir.
गया?
Yes, sir.
ओके. सो हम लोग का सेकंड टारगेट कंप्लीट हो गया. फर्स्ट टारगेट था पैरेललोग्राम, सेकंड टारगेट था ऑल साइड्स आर इक्वल. नाउ वन लास्ट टारगेट इज लेफ्ट. कौन सा?
One angle is
Very
90
good. One
degrees.
angle is 90 degree. So we'll move towards next section. We'll take two triangles ABC और BAD. ABC BAD. तो इसमें आइडेंटिफाई करना थोड़ा मुश्किल है. देखो ABC इसको, तो मैं एक काम करता हूँ, इसको अलग निकाल देता हूँ. This is ABC and this is BAD. We'll take this also. Now it is easy to identify these two triangles.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let us start with AD is equals to BC. Why?
Sir, opposite sides of a parallelogram is
Right, opposite
Sir,
sides are
opposite.
parallelogram. And what about these two sides?
sir common, sir.
Common. What about these two sides?
Common.
Sir, equal, sir.
Equal.
Diagonals already equal दिया हुआ question. So start with AB is equals to BA common. Second one AC is equals to BD. This is also given. Diagonals are equal. And the third one BC is equals to AD. That is proved above. All sides are equal. Proof किए ना ऊपर.
Yes, sir.
So these two triangles are congruent. By which criteria?
Sir,
SSS.
Right, SSS criteria. So angle A is equals to angle B. Why?
CPCT.
These two angles are equal. Why? CPCT. But what is the sum of these two angles?
180 degrees.
sir, 180 degree.
Huh?
180 degree.
180 degree. Why 180 degree? Why is the sum
Sir,
of
each
this
90 degrees, sir.
adjacent angles of parallelogram? Okay, fine. So angle ABC is equals to angle BAD, CPCT, and the sum of these two angles is equals to 180 degree because co-interior angles. Okay, and ये दोनों का sum 180 भी है और दोनों equal भी है. So each angle will become
90 degrees.
90 degree. So therefore AB is equals to BC is equals to CD is equals to AD we have shown, and angle A is equals to 90 degree. So therefore ABCD is a square. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So we'll move towards the question number 6. Diagonals AC of parallelogram ABCD bisects angle A. ये angle A को bisect कर रहा है. Show that it bisects angle C also. And we have to show that ABCD is a rhombus. क्या दिया हुआ है, क्या प्रूफ करना है, समझ में आ गया?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it is given that diagonal AC bisects angle A of a parallelogram. This is a parallelogram. So इसको एक काम करते हैं, angles को mark कर लिए 1, 2, 3, 4. What about angle 1, angle 2? They are equal.
Linear.
Angle 1 is equals to angle 2, na?
Yes, sir.
Why?
Sir, AC bisects angle A, sir.
Right. AC bisects angle A. What about angle 1 and 3?
Alternate
equal.
interior.
Alternate interior angles. So that means these two angles will become equal. तो वो दिखाने जा रहा हूँ मैं. Since AB parallel to DC and AC intersects them, so angle 1 is equals to angle 3. What is the reason?
Sir, alternate interior angle.
Right, alternate interior angles, alternate angles. And but similarly, angle 2 is also equals to angle 4. Alternate interior angles. But angle 1 is equals to angle 2.
Sir,
Why?
AC bisects angle A.
Yes, AC bisects angle A. अभी ध्यान से देखो, एंगल 1 जो है वो 3 के बराबर है और एंगल 1 जो है वो 2 के बराबर है. दैट मीन्स दिस टू एंगल्स आर इक्वल टू ईच अदर. क्लियर? क्योंकि दोनों का लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इक्वल है. सो विल कंक्लूड दैट एंगल 3 is equals to angle 4. First, why angle 3 is equals to angle 4?
Sir, because angle 2 is equal to angle 4, sir.
राइट. इसमें एंगल 1 और एंगल 2 इक्वल है तो ये भी इक्वल होगा. और एंगल 3 is equals to angle 4 हो गया. दैट मीन्स इट बाइसेक्ट्स एंगल C also. क्लियर है?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
फर्स्ट पार्ट क्लियर है.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अब हम लोग को प्रूफ करना है ABCD इज अ रोम्बस. सो रोम्बस के लिए कैसे प्रूफ करना है देखो. अभी मैंने बता रहा था कि एंगल 1 और एंगल 3 इक्वल है और एंगल 1 और एंगल 2 इक्वल है. सो दैट आई एम गोइंग टू टेक. इसमें ये दोनों सेम है देखो. सो दैट मीन्स दिस टू आर इक्वल. सो दिस विल इम्प्लाई एंगल 3 इज इक्वल्स टू एंगल 2 and this will imply AB is equals to BC. Why? ये और ये इक्वल हो जाएगा. क्यों?
CPCT.
हाँ,
Sir, sides opposite to equal angles.
वेरी गुड. sides opposite to equal angles. Now AB is equals to DC and AD is equals to BC. Why?
Sir, in a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal, sir.
Right. So now AB is equals to CD and AD is equals to BC because opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. अब इसमें से हम लोग ये दोनों इक्वल प्रूफ कर चुके हैं. This two. AB is equals to BC. So all sides are equal हो जाएगा. We can conclude that all sides are equal. ये स्टेप क्लियर है सबको?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Hence
sir.
ABCD is a rhombus. Okay. Now we'll move towards question number 7. Question number 7. ABCD is a rhombus. Show that diagonal AC bisects angle A as well as angle C. And diagonal BD bisects angle B as well as angle D. So इसमें दो पार्ट है. फर्स्ट पार्ट में हम लोग को प्रूफ करना है कि what we have to show this one, diagonal AC bisects angle A as well as angle C. और सेकेंड पार्ट में हम लोग को प्रूफ करना है ये वाला. सो फर्स्ट पार्ट हम लोग प्रूफ कर रहे हैं पहले. सो एक डायग्राम ड्रॉ कर लिए. ABCD इज अ रोम्बस. सो रोम्बस का प्रॉपर्टी हम लोग यूज कर सकते हैं यहाँ पे. ऑल साइड्स आर इक्वल and even diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. So let us start with एक बार मार्क कर लेते हैं एंगल 1 2 3 4. हम लोग को प्रूफ का क्या करना है? एंगल 1 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 4 एंड एंगल 3 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 2 बाइसेक्ट के लिए. सो विल स्टार्ट विथ इन ट्राइंगल ABC, BC is equals to AB. Why?
Sir, in rhombus, all sides are equal.
Very good. In rhombus, all sides are equal. So sides of rhombus are equal. Next, if these two sides are equal, so angle 1 is equals to angle 2. Why?
Sir, side angles opposite to
Angles
equal.
opposite
Right.
equal, sir.
Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. But angle 2 is equals to angle 4. Why?
Alternate interior angle.
Angle 1 is equals to angle 3.
Alternate interior angle.
Alternate interior
Alternate
angles.
angles.
So we'll take one by one. सबसे पहले एंगल 1 और एंगल 3 ले रहा हूं मैं. Why? What is the reason?
Alternate
Alternate interior angle.
Okay. Alternate interior angle. So इन दोनों में देखो रीजन लिख देते हैं. alternate interior angles. These two are same. So angle 2 will be equals to angle 3 from these two. So we'll conclude that angle 2 is equals to angle 3. That means AC bisects angle C. This part is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Also angle 2 is equals to angle 4. Why?
Alternate
Sir,
interior
alternate
angle.
Interior.
Right. Angle 2 is equals to angle 4. अभी ध्यान से देखो angle 2 और angle 4 equal है. So we will it will imply that angle 1 is also equals to angle 2. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So angle 1 और 4 equal हो गया.
Yes, sir.
That means ध्यान से देखो ये दोनों इक्वेशन में
Sir,
यहाँ
AC
पे एंगल 2 है
angle है, sir.
और यहाँ पे एंगल 2 है. तो एंगल 1 और एंगल 4 इक्वल हो जाएगा. ये स्टेप क्लियर है कि नहीं? मैं फिर से बताऊं.
Yes, sir.
Let me explain once again. See here angle 2 is there. Here is also angle 2. So angle 1 will be equals to angle 4. ये क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That means AC bisects angle A. So ये वाला पार्ट हम लोग का प्रूफ हो गया. कौन सा? ये वाला. AC bisects angle A as well as AC bisects angle C. So हम लोग अब BD के लिए ये एंगल्स मार्क कर लिए 5, 6, 7, 8. तो ऐसे ही हम लोग प्रूफ कर सकते हैं. किसी किसी बुक में ये भी लिखा हुआ सिमिलरली वी कैन शो BD bisects angle B as well as angle D. But we are going to show नेक्स्ट पेज में मैं लेके जा रहा हूँ. हाँ चलो यहीं पे कंटिन्यू कर लेते हैं. इन ट्राइंगल ABD. नाउ आई टुक दिस ट्राइंगल AB is equals to AD. Why?
Sir,
Sides of rhombus.
are equal.
So this will imply angle 6 is equals to angle 5. Why?
Our angles opposite
Angles
to
opposite to
opposite
equal
to
sides.
Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. तो अभी नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में लेके जा रहा हूं मैं. एंगल 5 is equals to angle 6 अभी हम लोग दिखला चुके हैं. Now what about angle 6 and angle 8?
Alternate
Right, alternate interior angles. So that means we can conclude that angle 5 is equals to angle 8. ये समझ में आ गया?
Yes, sir.
So ये दोनों एंगल्स इक्वल है, मतलब BD जो है वो एंगल B को बाइसेक्ट कर रहा है. क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now also angle 5 is also equals to angle 7. Why? Alternate interior angle. अभी इस इक्वेशन में देखो और इस इक्वेशन में देखो. What is same?
Angle 5.
Angle 5. So angle 6 is equals to angle 7. That means BD bisects angle D. अब ये था सेकेंड पार्ट. अब सेकेंड पार्ट भी प्रूफ हो गया. किसी को कोई डाउट है?
No, sir.
Last question. This is the last question of today's session. What is given that ABCD is a rectangle in which diagonals AC bisects angle A as well as angle C. Show that ABCD is a square and second diagonals BD bisects angle B as well as angle D. So ये वाला अभी जो हम लोग प्रूफ किए थे वही पार्ट है, बिल्कुल सेम है. अभी हम लोग को केवल शो करना है ABCD is a square. So पिछले क्वेश्चन जैसा ही है, बिल्कुल मिलता जुलता. So what we have to show for square?
All sides
Sir,
are
all sides are equal.
All sides are equal and one side is 90 degrees.
One angle. Okay. So all side, क्योंकि यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी दिया हुआ है रेक्टेंगल, तो एंगल 190 डिग्री शो करने की जरूरत नहीं है. ओके. सो रेक्टेंगल में ऑपोजिट साइड्स इक्वल होते हैं. AB इज इक्वल्स टू DC एंड BC इज इक्वल्स टू AD एंड ईच एंगल इज 90 डिग्री. दैट इज आल्सो देयर इन रेक्टेंगल. सो स्क्वायर के लिए हम लोग को यहाँ पे केवल ये शो करना है ऑल साइड्स आर इक्वल. इज दैट क्लियर?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
ओके. सो विल टेक टू ट्रायंगल्स. इसमें हम लोग दो ट्रायंगल लेंगे. उससे पहले we will mark these angles 1, 2, 3, 4. Now angle 1 is equals to angle 2 and angle 3 is equals to angle 4. Why?
Alternate interior angles.
No.
Sir, AC bisects angle A as well as angle
Yes.
B.
Question में दिया हुआ है diagonals AC bisects angle A as well as angle C. Clear? Okay. So again reason यहाँ पे लिख दिए हैं. Again angle 1 is equals to angle 4. Why? These two angles are equal.
Alternate interior.
What?
Alternate angle.
Alternate interior angles. Right. तो अभी देखो यहाँ पर और यहाँ पर क्या चीज सेम दिख रहा है?
Angle 4.
Angle 4.
Angle 4.
Angle
So
4.
from these two what we can conclude?
Angle 1.
Angle 1 is equals to angle 3.
Angle 1 is equals to angle 3. Even we can compare these two also. इन दोनों को अगर कंपेयर करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? एंगल 2 is equals
Angle
to
2 is equal to
एंगल
angle
4. बट मुझे एक ही पेयर चाहिए, तो मैं एंगल 1 और एंगल 3 को ले रहा हूँ. क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
I took
Yes, sir.
angle 1 is equals to
Yes, sir.
angle 3. We can show that angle 2 is also equals to angle 4, but I want only one pair. So angle 1 is equals to angle 3. So this will imply BC is equals to AB. Why?
Sides opposite to
Why why AB is equals to BC?
Sir,
Sides
sides
of
opposite to equal angles.
rectangle.
क्या?
The sides opposite to equal angles.
Right. Sides opposite to equal angles. Correct. Now AB is equals to DC and AD is equals to BC. Why?
Opposite angles are equal.
From equation 1. Opposite sides of rectangle. Correct. But here we have already written है ना, तो मैं क्या लिख रहा हूँ? From equation 1. You can write opposite sides of rectangle are equal. So ध्यान से देखो, हम लोग ये दोनों में ये दोनों इक्वल प्रूफ कर चुके हैं. AB is equals to BC and these two are equal. So we can conclude that all sides are equal. This step is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
if all sides are equal, that means ABCD is a square. So first part is over. Now second part is left. तो second part के लिए हम लोग क्या करेंगे, ये वाले एंगल्स को मार्क कर लेंगे 5, 6, 7, 8. बिल्कुल पिछले क्वेश्चन में जैसे मार्क किए थे. Now we are going to show that diagonal BD bisects angle B as well as angle D. That means these two angles are equal and these two angles are equal. So let us start with the triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, these two sides are equal. Why?
Oh,
Sir,
Sides
sides of a square are equal, sir.
Right. Already हम लोग prove कर चुके हैं sides of ये ABCD is a square. So sides of square are equal. Now this will imply angle 5 is equals to angle 6. Why?
Sir, angles opposite to equal sides, sir.
Right. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Now what about angle 6 and angle 8? Alternate interior angles. Right. So ये दोनों में देखो ये और ये सेम है, तो ये दोनों इक्वल हो जाएगा.
Yes, sir.
So this will imply angle 5 is equals to angle 8. So what we can conclude from this, if these two angles are equal?
Sir, BD bisects angle B, sir.
Right. BD bisects angle B. Now another pair is there. कौन कौन सा? Angle 7 और angle 5. Okay. ये भी दोनों इक्वल है ना? क्यों इक्वल है दोनों?
Alternate angles.
Right. So also angle 5 is equals to angle 7. ध्यान से देखो, angle 5 और angle 7 इक्वल है और हम लोग को ये दोनों इक्वेशन लेना है. देखो इसमें angle 5 और angle 5. So what we can conclude, angle 6 is equals to angle 7.
7.
Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So if these two angles are equal, what we can conclude?
BD bisects
bisects angle B.
Right. So हम लोग का second part भी हो गया. BD bisects angle B as well as angle D. Now this is the last question of today's session. Now what is the next section?
Assignment questions.
Right, assignment questions. So ये सारे क्वेश्चन जो है वो 4 क्वेश्चंस इजी क्वेश्चंस है with respect to finding the angles and एक्चुअल में ये 3 क्वेश्चन है और इसमें 3 बिट्स हैं, so it is equivalent to 6 questions. So you have to complete and you have to send me through WhatsApp. Okay, so that's all for today's session. Thank you very much. So आज के लेसन में किसी को कोई डाउट है?
No, sir.
Sir.
नेक्स्ट पीरियड मेरा 9th B में है और आफ्टर दैट आफ्टर 10th C class, that is 310 only, I will upload and I have already uploaded the deleted portion of class 9th for this academic year. Please go through it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.